Starting your day the right way will ensure that you feel calmer, happier, and more productive from the get-go. It'll also make sure that you don't waste any time searching for missing or lost items. And remember that habits don't happen overnight. They take at least 21 days to become ingrained into your normal routine. So the sooner you start, the quicker you'll become a well-organized morning person. Now, many tutors that are getting their online businesses started tell me that they struggle with effective strategies for getting organized. And this mini-series is going to help you solve that problem right off the bat. Hi, my name is Joanne Kaminsky, and I have been tutoring reading online since 2010. And after I got myself booked solid, I realized that I needed to help other teachers, tutors, and homeschool parents start an online tutoring business or help others get additional students for their business. Now, if you like the content in these videos, hit subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when additional information is shared on this channel. Also, join us on Facebook at the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors. This is a free group to help you guide you as you start or grow your online tutoring business. So habit number 1, tidy up the night before. We've all been there, right? When we've felt too tired to load the dishwasher, clear the counters, or vacuum the family room. Spending a little time every day tidying up and cleaning the dirt, the clutter, the debris will actually save you time and angst in the long run. So make it fun, routine by involving everyone in your family. Set a timer for 15 minutes. Zip through those chores. Of course, if you're on your own, it might take slightly longer, but the time that you spend doing it is going to leave you feeling accomplished and ready to start your day when you wake up. Now, habit number 2 is, prepare lunches in advance. So food preparation, it's going to take time, and it isn't fun when you're in a rush to get, let's say, your kids off to school, right? It's amazing how many times I've been working and I forget to eat. And by the time my body is starving, I don't have time to make a healthy meal. And so I eat junk. By spending some time preparing lunches for the entire family the night before, it's going to ensure that you get a nutritious lunchtime meal, which will save you time and money, and it's also going to be nicer to your body. So plan ahead so that you know exactly what everyone is having each day of the week. This is going to make sure that you buy or make everything that you need so that there aren't any last-minute panics. Now, my favorite app for planning this is called Paprika, and this app costs $4.99, but it saves me so much time, and it's the easiest tool to use. I can find recipes online or add my own. I can choose the day of the week that I'd like to make each meal, and then I can add all the items I need directly onto a shopping list with a click of a finger. So meal planning and creating a shopping list, they only take me about 10 minutes now to do, and I stick to my grocery list when I go to the store versus randomly buying whatever catches my attention. And this also ensures that everyone is eating healthy and getting the nutrition that they need. Habit number 3 is get clothes ready the night before. So how much time have you seriously wasted trying to choose what to wear in the morning? Too much, probably. And it gets worse if you got kids. Instead, get everyone's clothes ready the night before. Make sure the entire outfit is on a hanger and that underwear, shoes, accessories are with it. Now, I'll throw my clothes in the bathroom so I can sneak in a shower and have my clothes set to go. Having my kids' stuff out ensures that we don't have any of those tears that ensue when a kid can't find their shoes, and we needed to be in the car 10 minutes ago. It's a win-win for everyone. Habit number 4 is to write a to-do list. Write down all the chores, the calls, and things that you need to do the following day. If they involve dropping off items at Goodwill, then bag them up and put them by the front door or in the car. If you need to post letters or packages, then put them by the door as well. Your list will make sure that you know exactly what you need to do, and by having any items ready, you won't leave the house without them. Now, habit number 5, charge it. Each night, make sure that you are charging all of your devices that you need for the next day. This way, if you want to use your phone, your laptop, or tablet, you won't run into any problems. So starting your day feeling positive and organized really does have a major impact on the way the rest of your day pans out. A chaotic start is hard to recover from, but by developing these routines, you can be sure that your household and your business will always start the day in the right way.